Hi, Ken Boyer from Garage Gurus Heavy Duty. Today I want to demonstrate how to install our new hand install National 375 seal. Now I've taken the liberty of going ahead and lubricating the seal bore to make sure it's got a good application of hub oil on it. My bearing's in place, but the next thing I want to do is go ahead and lubricate the outside diameter of the seal. And then I'll put a little lubrication on the inside of the seal, on the ID. And what I'll do is, this seal has a pilot on it to ease it into the hub, so it helps to line it up when you go to put the seal in. So I'm just going to keep it even, use both hands, just push down. And the seal's in place. Now if you look, you can see that the seal is even all the way around. I can move my bearing so I don't have any interference issues there. So the seal went in like it should, and it's fairly easy to install. Now if I've got a hub that may be a little bit older hub or a little bit more damage to the hub, you can use a rubber mallet to tap that seal in and get it into place if you don't feel it went all the way in. You can also use the tool, the National Seal Installer, and go ahead and use it to install the seal if you don't feel like it went into the hub. What you never want to use is a hammer or a punch or a piece of wood, because a piece of wood will introduce debris into the hub and could easily cause another seal failure or a bearing failure. Now the seal's in place. What you want to do, just make sure you want to clean it up. So you're going to take a rag and wipe all the excess oil off of it, because you don't want that seal to look like it's been leaking in case the vehicle is pulled over and you get an out of service due to a leaking seal. Now leave the seal in place for about 5 minutes, let it set. There's 4 ribs on that seal that hold it in place, and just lets them relax. So let it sit in there for 5 minutes and then go ahead and install it onto the hub. And that's how easy it is to install our new hand install seal. Thanks for watching, and for more heavy duty tech tips like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.